In an unexpected development in Manipur politics, Chief Minister Biren has reportedly tendered resignation this evening. A resignation letter of the Chief Minister has been doing the rounds in social media. In a resignation letter which addressed to Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla, Biren asked the governor to accept his resignation while showing gratitude to the central government for timely actions, interventions, developmental works, and implementation of various projects for safeguarding the interest of Manipuris. It went on to request the central government through the governor's office to continue extending support in maintaining the territorial integrity of Manipur, to crack down on border infiltration, and to formulate policy for the deportation of the illegal immigrants. The resignation letter also requested the same government to continue fight against drugs and narco-terrorism, stringent and foolproof revised mechanism of FMR with the biometric being stringently applied, besides asking for time-bound and faster border security, which is underway. Meanwhile, a source claimed that Chief Minister Biren has submitted his resignation letter to Manipur governor. However, it is said that Biren would not step down immediately, as the governor has asked him to continue serving as the caretaker chief minister until a new government takes charge, adding that party's central leadership will decide on new leadership within a day or two.